Nicki Minaj and her husband face a $20 million default judgment after failing to respond to a lawsuit. Jennifer Hugh is suing Minaj and her husband, Kenneth Petty, for harassment. The plot thickens in Jennifer Hugh's lawsuit against Nicki Minaj and her husband, Kenneth Petty. Minaj and Perry failed to respond to the lawsuit, and a request for a $20 million default judgment has been made as a result. Minaj hired an attorney, Jude Bernstein, to attempt to request an extension to respond to the suit. Bernstein sent an email to Hugh's lawyer, Tyrone Blackburn, to withdraw the petition for the $20 million default judgment and asked for more time for the couple to respond, according to the Daily Beast. Quote, "I said no," Blackburn told the Daily Beast. "I told him to prepare for his opposition to my request for default and explained to the court why his client and her husband believe they're above the law," unquote. In Minaj's filing, she claimed the delay in response was an innocent mistake. Quote, "My failure to respond to the complaint was the product of an innocent mistake, and I asked the court to excuse the delay so that I could defend what I believe to be an entirely frivolous case which the plaintiff's counsel has brought against me in an effort to use my name to generate publicity for himself," unquote. Minaj is quoted in the legal briefs. Petty, who married the Grammy-winning rapper in 2019, was convicted of attempted first-degree assault in 1995. Hugh, who was 16 at the time of the assault, stated that she was being harassed and threatened by Petty and Minaj. Hugh indicated that Minaj made attempts to bribe her to recant her story. After the alleged extensive attempts at bribery and subsequent threats after refusal, Hugh filed his lawsuit against both Minaj and Petty, accusing the couple of, quote, "witness intimidation, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligent infliction of emotional distress, harassment, assault, and harassment," quote. This past September, Hugh discussed Petty and Minaj on an episode of the daytime talk show, The Real. Not only did she speak about the lawsuit, but about the lasting effects of the assault, saying she spent her life, quote, "hiding with myself, living and surviving through insecurities, using them to protect myself, thinking that if I don't look a certain way, I won't attract certain type of attention. I've been like that my whole life," unquote. Petty served over 4 years in prison and had to register as an offender. He recently pled guilty after being charged with failing to register as a level 2 offender in California when Minaj moved to the state in 2020. This sentencing has been scheduled for January 24th, 2022, and he faces a maximum of 10 years in prison and a lifetime of supervised release. So you guys let me know what you think about this situation. In my personal opinion, I believe that all this is a result of allegedly Nicki Minaj wanting to remove the dirt off her husband's shoulder. I've always thought, because this came up some time back, and I actually had a video about this on my channel, and I've always thought that, look, you have tons of money, you have nothing else to worry about in life. Why are you so concerned about this claim this dark cloud hanging over your husband's head? And I get it. You want to go places and you want to do things. You don't want to have this restriction, and you don't want to have this stain on your shoulder. I get it. I understand. But you have so much money that shouldn't even be a problem. That shouldn't even be a problem. So now you're actually digging yourself into a deeper hole by going back and trying to allegedly force this woman to basically recant her story. So you guys let me know what you think. Comments below. Do you think Minaj is actually guilty of all this stuff? Do you think Minaj should just go ahead and settle this lawsuit and rethink her actions of trying to get this woman to recant her story? Do you think that she should just move on with her life, enjoy her husband, enjoy her new family? Let me know what you think. Questions and comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe.